Gang. Wanna deal with YouTube gang? We there with another one, man. You see what we are deal with today. Back in the lab. And today we're there with reaction to the Gully Riddim continues. Today we're there with none other than Govana and the genius, the one named Itsy Bitsy. We'll check it out and see where the fourth. I'm sorry, the strike force boss I deal with. You see me I say? Yeah man, I don't know. Govana wicked pan storytelling and the lyrics and the vibes and the creativity, One of the most creative artists in the dancehall, Govana, no joke. You see me I say? So I check it out and see what Govana deal with idea today. What I deal with gang, we know nothing about it in the comment section, You see me, we now all vibe much longer. I jump right now the track. Govana and the genius Itsy Bitsy. Let's get it.
Grip it and make body chip that are you. Pum my squeeze pan the tip that are glue. Near the string cut out could do all of it.
Bokla, the whole grip it and make body chip. We have to pull that up. Go on, Governor, where are you? Go to. Mama, hey, this have all of you girl with the grip, vice grip, This is for Miss Gripsy Grippy, Miss Chippy, Hey, go ahead, show.
Grip it and make body chip that are you. Pum my squeeze pan the tip that are glue.
Hey,
string cut out good.
Is that you? Is that you? Is that you? The divas, and the lady dance. Is that you?
Do all up in you. I want you to do. Grab up a itsy bitsy grip it from your man now straight. And around man she want some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run. Boom fight like the jazz pump up. Me have to rub it on the edge and on the corner. Cause every time me get the pussy like you warmer. Love when you sit down.
Every on the edge and on the corner, mama. You have to easy on the corner, on the bank. Easy. Take your take one.
On it the look a bend down there. Some girl want to but them still can't fuck. And happy, so she feel.
Some girl what, but them still can't what?
Down there. Some girl want to but them still can't fuck. And happy, so she.
Some girl hold what, but them still can't.
Love when you sit down on it the look a bend down there. Some girl want to but them still can't fuck. And happy.
Girl hold good, but them still can't fuck. Does that even matter? If you were good, does that even I will do all the work, my friend. He good, Gotcha.
So she feel when she can't buy the pack a key. Girl a tip on the body, broke it, left it up a chip. Why the good pussy girl them ever cock a tip? One leg go like slave on your pretty property.
Why? The girl them the good. We couldn't stay so. Easy man, calm down. That's because you got the good. You know have to go on so. You can't easily look away, man. You know have to go on so. You know have to.
Tip on the body, broke it, left it up.
You like them with a little bit of attitude. Not too much. A little bit of attitude. You see me? Because you got to go to say, right, we go on, but not too much with it. Because you alone have a good one alone, Go on.
Why the good pussy girl them ever cock a tip? One leg go like slave on your pretty property. Girl if your real
they go like slave on your pretty property.
The boy in a hip, fuck up on a trip, backers in a Miami. Girl, I send me cocky if up, let me high on it. Don't turn a lion it, good girl. Grab up a itsy bitsy grip from your man.
Say cocky teeth like a iron, like a rock stone. Hey, go on, Joe.
And around man, she want some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run. Boom fight like the jazz pump up. Me have to rub it on the edge and on the corner. Cause every time me get the pussy like you warmer. Love when you sit down on it, the look a bend down there. Some girl good, but them still can't fuck. She have a vibe when me like of the time of my life. Wine pon the bike, gal, ride pon the bike. Sure of yourself, flap a gal pon the side. Your bed the man as
my friend, you sure yourself, flap a gal pon the side, Any gal flip up get flap, My friend, you sure, cause you know say you have it.
God. Have a vibe when me like of the time of my life. Wine pon the bike, gal, ride pon the bike. Sure of yourself, flap a gal pon the side. Your bed the man asleep in at tonight. The squeeze on the tight, one queen, no scabby gal no reach pon your eyes.
Squeeze on the tight, mama go.
Your bed the man asleep in at tonight. The squeeze on the tight, one queen, no scabby girl no reach by your heights. Pretty cute face, white teeth.
One queen, no scabby girl can't test your mama talk.
In at tonight. The squeeze on the tight, one queen, no scabby girl no reach by your heights. Pretty cute face, white teeth when you smile. One man at a time, tell him read up your file. Good old girl. Grab up a itsy bitsy grip from your man now. she want some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run there. Boom boom fat like the jazz pump up. Me have to rub it on it.
You're fat up in your shots on dead, go on.
Them read up your file, good old car. Grab up your Itsy Bitsy grippy from your man now straight. And a rum man, she want some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run there. Boom boom fat like the jazz pump up.
Hope your itty bitty mama for your man not stress mama go. Hey.
Me have to rub it on the edge and on the corner. Cause every time me get the pussy like you want man. Love when you sit down on it, the look up bend down there. Some girl will good but them still can't.
Yeah, man love when you sit down on it and bend down them mama. Yes man, see man, go along with the things them.
Fuck, grip it and me body chip, that a you. Pump my squeeze pan the tip, that a glue. Neighbor string cutter could do all up in you. I want me want you for do.
Clear neighbor string cutter good all having no girl. Hey, I want it, make it cheap. I want a bit. Go on, show it.
Grip it and me body chip, that a you. Pump my squeeze pan the tip, that a glue. Neighbor string cutter could do all up in you. I want me want you for do. Grab up your Itsy Bitsy grippy from your man now straight. And a rum man, she want some fun. Me love the way you cock it up in the shots run there. Boom boom fat like the jazz pump up. Me have to rub it on the edge and on the corner. Cause every time me get the pussy like you want man. Love when you sit down on it, the look up bend down there. Some girl will good but them still can't fuck.
Cleat, easy now man, girl, grab up your itty bitty from your man, no stress. You see me I say, Bomba that bad. Govana, I know ladies, I love that. Hey, this Hill and Gully Riddim, I like what it's doing. You see me I say, it's definitely bringing back the vibes for the ladies especially. Hopefully bring back the daggering era of dancehall. You see me, man and woman a couple up and actually dance together. You see me I say, man and woman time now man. Bumbo club, you know I see no girl and a party. You see me, I move up with that man. But out them get them thing there now man. More blood clear. You want some man and woman time now man. You see me back in the day, man and girl dance together. You see me, it's a vibe. You see me and say, yeah, you know, enjoy the girl man and treat the girl like the girl man settle and sin and worrying. You see me, none of that man. Vibes and energy and nice time. You see me, so big up Govana. I like that one now. You see me? So far we only listen to the Massacre one so far Slip On Side, but Govana got the Itsy Bitsy. Yeah man, I like the vibe, the whole vibe of the entire rhythm. You see me? Man and woman time and all man. You see me I say? Yeah, go over Itsy Bitsy woman for your man now stress. Where you dog say, hold on, we like it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Grip it and make body chip, that a
Bombo clean, grip it and make body chip, yeah, what?
you. Pump my squeeze pan the tip, that
Pum squeeze pan it, that a glow.
a glue. Neighbor string cutter could do all up in you.
Yeah, we train cut a good all having no girl. Hey, have you about a girl in there? I want to the dog. Bring back lyrics. Lyrics, you know, just a lyrics. Hey, you man say. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, guys. Let me know one thing about the one day. That's what I need to do, you know. Big up Govana, Itsy Bitsy. Ladies, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. You already know what time it is, man. Now we'll be very much longer. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.